to find the maximum or minimum point of the curve y equals to s squared minus x plus 1. The first thing to do is to find the first differentiation. Y is equals to s squared minus x plus 1. The first differentiation of this curve, dy over dx is equals to dy over dx of s squared is 2x. dy dx of minus x is minus 1. dy dx of 1 is 0. So this is the fourth differentiation. The next step is to put the first differentiation to 0. At this point is called turning point. Turning point or point of inflection. So our 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 all over 2. So this is the first step. The next step is to check. Why are you checking? Is to check the point or whether the curve is maximum or minimal. Check. So to check is to find second differentiation. So our second differentiation, which is d square y over the s squared, is equals to, from the first differentiation, you get your second differentiation. So dy ds or the square y over the s squared of 2x is 2. dy ds the square y over the s squared of minus 1 is 0. So this is the square y over the s squared is equals to 2. So this value is greater than second differentiation. From this condition, at this point, this is minimal. So the next thing is to find our minimum point, since we have a minimum value ideal. So our minimum point will now be the value of x is 1 over 2. So substitute the value of x into the original function or original curve. Y is equals to s squared minus x plus 1. X squared is 1 all over 2 minus 1 all over 2 plus 1. So now have 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 1. So from here, the LCM of 4, 2, 1 is 4. So now have 1 plus 2 plus 4. We give us 1 plus 2, 7 all over 4. So our minimum point of this curve, is equals to the value of x, which is 1 over 2, and the value which is 7 over 4, 7 over 4. So the minimum point of this curve is 1 over 2, 7 over 4. So note, to finding the maximum or minimum point of this curve, the first step is to find the first differentiation. The second step, the essence of your first differentiation is to find the value of x. The second step, check the maximum and minimum value. So is to check. To check is to find the second differentiation, which is the square root over the s squared. So at this point, at this condition, the value of the square y over the s squared is greater than, the square y over the s squared is greater than 0. Since it's greater than 0, it's set to be minimal. So minimum point will now be, substitute the value of x into the original curve. You have 7 over 4. So our minimum point would now be 1 over 2, which is the value of x, 7 over 4. Thank you very much.